Hello and welcome back to Crypto Zombies Lesson 1, Chapter 10, more on functions. In this chapter we're going to learn about function return values and function modifiers. Return values. To return a value from a function, the declaration looks like this. We have string greeting that contains what's up dog. This function is named say hello. It's public. It returns a string, return greeting. It would return this string what's up dog whenever we call it the say hello function. So in Solidity, the function declaration contains the type of the return value, in this case string. That's what we see here. It contains the type of the return value, returns string. So function modifiers, the above function doesn't actually change state in Solidity, e.g. it doesn't change any values or write anything. So in this case we could declare it as a view function, meaning it's only viewing the data but not modifying it. Function say hello, public view returns string. Solidity also contains pure functions, which means you're not even accessing any data in the app. Consider the following. So again, view functions will mean we're viewing the data, not modifying it. Pure functions means you're not even accessing any data in the app. And we see it here in this example, multiply, uint A and uint B. It's private, pure, and it returns A times B. So whatever is passed in here, that's really the only thing it accesses is the function parameters. It doesn't actually even access any data in the app. So this function doesn't even read from the state of the app. Its return value depends only on its function parameters. So in this case, we would declare the function as pure. Note, it may be hard to remember when to mark functions as pure or view. Luckily, the Solidity compiler is good about issuing warnings to let you know when you should use one of these modifiers. So put it to the test. We're going to want a helper function that generates a random DNA number from a string. So create a private function called generateRandomDNA. We'll take one parameter named string and return a uint. This function will view some of our contract variables but not modify them, so mark it as view. The function body should be empty at this point. We'll fill it in later. So if I go here, all I would really have to do is say function generate random DNA, and it had a string by the name of _str. So then it says to make it private, right? Or was it public? Private. View. Return. Is that in quotes? Yes. uint. It should be that. Let's try this out. So we did pass it. The important thing to remember from this lesson was declare a function as a view function, which, like it says here, we'll be viewing the data but not modifying it, versus marking a function as pure means we're not even accessing any data within the app, just using whatever data is in the parameters being passed in. As long as you guys understand that, then you guys are understanding the gist of this lesson. Like, share, subscribe if you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.